Hi! Want to clean up messy status lists in Clickup without breaking workflows? I'll show you exactly how to safely delete statuses in Clickup 2025. It's step-by-step, fast, and without surprises. Stick around for 2 pro tips that'll protect your tasks and automations. First, a quick heads up. Only workspace owners, admins, or people granted the advanced permissions delete items and edit statuses. Codala can remove statuses. If you don't have those rights, ask your admin before trying anything. Open Clickup and go to the place where the status lives. Statuses are set at the space, folder, or list level, and they can be inherited from higher levels. So pick the space, folder, or list that contains the status you want to remove. Open the status editor. From the spaces or home sidebar, hover over the space/folder/list name. Click the 3-dot ellipsis and choose space/folder/list settings arrow task statuses. That opens the statuses modal where you can manage every status for that location. Alternative ways to open the same modal. If you're in a list view with a status column, click the status column header, edit statuses. In board view grouped by status, click the column's ellipsis arrow, then edit statuses. Both methods take you to the same editor. Find the status you want to remove. In the statuses modal, you'll see each status and its color. Click the 3-dot menu ellipsis next to that status and choose delete. Clickup will show a confirmation prompt. Don't skip it. If the status you want to remove is inherited from a higher level space or folder, you'll need to navigate to that higher level and edit statuses there. Or switch the list to use custom statuses first. That's it. Tidy, safe, done. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a short screen recording version next. I'll make a follow-along short. Thanks for watching.